The Department of Homeland Security has issued a notice officially ending deportation protections and work permits for over 530,000 immigrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela effective April 24. These individuals admitted under the Biden-era CHNV parole program are now being asked to voluntarily leave the US or face arrest and deportation. DHS is urging affected individuals to register their departure plans using a government app. Immigration attorney Morella Aguado calls the move unjust, stating these individuals were legally admitted and now face legal and financial turmoil. The program, which offered a safe legal route into the US, is being dismantled over claims of weak vetting and labor competition. Critics argue the move undermines due process and breaks legal contracts like leases and loans. The Justice Action Center has filed a legal challenge, calling the policy shift both cruel and baseless.